Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to buy government Cricut kit. First, you'll want to locate approved suppliers. Start by checking official government procurement portals or websites of authorized distributors. These platforms often list equipment available for purchase, including surplus items. It's crucial to verify the supplier's credentials to ensure you are acquiring genuine, compliant gear. This initial step helps you navigate the process efficiently and avoid unofficial channels. Next, it's important to review the kit requirements. Government-issued Cricut gear often adheres to strict specifications for quality and safety. Look for details on materials, such as high-grade willow for bats or impact-resistant polymers for helmets. Confirm sizes, typically ranging from small to extra large, and ensure all essential components, like gloves and protective gear, are part of the package. Understanding these details helps you make an informed purchase. Now, let's complete your purchase. The process usually involves filling out an online order form or contacting a sales representative directly. Be sure to understand the payment terms, which might require full payment within 30 days of order confirmation. Some purchases may involve a small processing fee, typically around 2% of the total cost. Always keep thorough records of your order, including confirmation numbers and shipping details, for smooth tracking. Finally, you'll receive and inspect your new Cricut kit. Ensure you arrange for secure delivery to your chosen address, confirming the estimated arrival date, which is often within 10 to 15 business days. Once the kit arrives, carefully unpack and inspect each item. Check for any damages or discrepancies against your original order. If you find any issues, report them to the supplier within a specified time frame, typically 7 days, to facilitate a quick resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.